The Shivajinagar Solid Waste Management Team wins a trophy for the cleanliness of all streets in CleanStreet 10K run held in association with BBMP in the memory of Vijay Diwas today. The team also won a certificate for ensuring clean street with no black spot. The activity Clean Street was held by the BBMP in association with the Ugly Indian in commemoration of Vijay Diwas. The 10-kilometer run, beginning from East Gate of Vidhan Sauda, covered Raj Bhavan, National Military Memorial, Infantry Road, Carbon Road, Manipal Center, Dickinson Road, Army Public School, Chinnaswamy Stadium, and ended at the place it began. All the streets covered in the run were cleaned. More than 50 BBMP marshals and citizens took part in the run and made it successful. The activity is intended to inspect and rate 100 kilometers of the city streets in 10 10K runs in the upcoming months.